Parallel lines and transversal angle pairs have one of two relationships. They are either congruent or they are supplementary. And when they are supplementary, they add up to 180. Corresponding angles hold the same location from the first set of 4 angles to the second set of 4 angles. So when we're talking about corresponding angles in this picture, angle B corresponds to G because they are both in the top left corner. Angle C and angle J are corresponding, as well as D is with K and F is with L. These angles are always congruent. Alternate interior angles talk about only the interior angles, so inside the two parallel lines. Being that they are alternate interior, it would be D and J, and it would be F is with G. Again, these are congruent angles when we're talking about their relationship. And then we have alternate exterior angles, and alternate exterior angles are only referring to angles that are on the outside, the exterior of the two parallel lines. So that would be B and L as being alternate exterior, and C is with K. And again, these are congruent values. The supplementary angles are always on the interior, but they are on the same side. So D and G are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180, and F and J are supplementary because they are considered consecutive or same side interior angles. Now let's use this information, whether they are congruent or they are supplementary, and answer this question. So as an example, find all missing measures. When I look at my two parallel lines, I'm looking at this line here, S and T. They are parallel because of the notation used, and once I know that those are parallel, I have sets of angles. This angle here and this angle here are alternate interior. They are both on the interior of the lines, and they are on opposite sides. So this being my transversal right here means that angle 4 is equal to 32 degrees. So I have angle 4 I can fill in as 32 degrees. Now, because I know that, I can say that angle 3 is the difference between 180 and 32 degrees. So that's going to give me 148 degrees. So angle 3 is 148 degrees. The reason I know that is because they are a linear pair. Angle 3 and angle 4 combine together to form a straight line. So that's supplementary. Now I can look at the other side with the 1 and the 2 and the 115. So again, these are my interior angles, and when I look at 115 degrees out here, that one is again alternate interior angle with angle 1. So that means angle 1 is equivalent to 115 degrees. So angle 1 equals 115 degrees. And lastly, I know that angle 2 is also 115 degrees because their relationship is a vertical angle pair, and all vertical angles are congruent.